Now in this step we extend the material for the chain lock, which we created in the previous step. And you might remember that for the sales data we defined that we will sell the chain lock for the sales area US East, and we deliver from Miami, and the shipping point was Miami. What we are going to do now, we extend the material master to enable sales also to sell in the West sales organization. And we have to define the corresponding data, because some of the data and processing for the Western sales organization, US West, might be different as that from East. We have to use the transaction to create the material. That's interesting and worthy to note, because we don't update the material. I mean, the material is already existing, so you could also assume that we have to update the material. No, we use the transaction to create the material, and that is mainly because we are really creating new entries and new organizational views here. Now, please go to logistics, then go to material management, material master, go to material, and then we say create special, and say create trading goods, MMH1, as we did before. And the material we are using now is our chain lock we created just one step before. So it's A, which is your group number, chain lock, then 1, and the last 3 digits are your participants number. And then we say copy from, and we give already the same material in here in the copy from, a chain log 1000, and then press enter. Then we have the information that retailed was copied from the master record, so this is exactly what we delivered before. This is only a warning, so that's fine. And what we want to set up are the sales data, so please select the 3 sales views here. And then make sure that you enter the following data correctly. So the new organizational level we want to set up is, we want to define something for the plant, or the data for the plant SDOO, which is our plant in San Diego. The sales organization is US West, UWOO, and the distribution channel again is wholesale. And we copy from everything we entered for Miami and US West, excuse me, US East 00, of course, because we already set up for East, and then wholesale. Okay, and then press enter. Fine. You read here, the material already exists, which we know, and will be extended. Yes, it will be extended, especially by the sales views we just created. And what you see here, that the information we previously entered is copied, of course. The delivering plant here is MIOO, and we have to change that, and delivery plant is not Miami, but now is San Diego. You can use the search icon and please press select the delivery center in San Diego. Okay, then please go to conditions, and the scale quantity is 1, and the amount here is 65. Okay, that is all. So we return from the conditions to the main screen and save, and now we have a different view, or different data set for the sales organization US West with the plant in San Diego.